bengiyafundela nami ngathi abantu bakithi ngeke banjani bahlupheke ngezifundo mina sengihamba ngafunda ukuthi ngiqeqeshe ukuthi abantu abadala abanye bazalwa ngesikhathi sempi abanye zebe bafunda icrash athi ingangikhangela zange niye amacrash phela amacrash into zakathesi
ngakamba
so ngase ngifunda ke ngase ngisiya lamabhuku ami ukuthi ngifunde ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi abantu lani lifunde libe lolwazi sikhiwa
enhle kakhulu uyabona nxa usenzeka into ezinje esigabeni nanti siyaphakama
siyaphakama so lapha ngizalifundisa ngendlela ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba yini wena ufuna ukuba yini then ngilifundise isikhiwa sesizangena ezingalweni umntwana nami lethi ibhuku lela eliphezulu lapha uqale kuthi
right
kakhulu hayi right kakhulu qakathekile wena
imfundo enhle kakhulu
enhle kakhulu siqala impilo entsha
wabona ufuna ufundela ukuba yini
mina ngifuna ukuphaka phezulu kuba pilot
isikhathi asikakuchisi yavuka lapha mntawona ufuna ukuba yini
uyabona amacala ngendlela enzeka ngayo lapha esigabeni nanti namfuna ukuba lipolisa
alright sizazama but isipolisa lesirasta urastafari esipholiseni hayi asazi ke then lapho mama ufuna ukuba yini
mina ngifuna ukuba ngunesi
unesi lapha abantu alright
ye
ngapho mbalisi ufuna ukuba yini
mina ngifuna ukuba ngudokotela
yanti baba kunceda uzukule yanti wabona ukuqhakatheka kwani kwamadokotela correct mbalisi
wayefuqa ngebhara lo
usamfuqa before ngiye college wapho zohamba wapho sathi isitshwala
ukhetha into right
wayathi isitshwala kabuhlungu
nanzelelile ukuthi lokhana kuyasiza
isibhedlela
odokotela labonesi
ufunde nanti umbalisi ufunde ukuthi izifo awuhlale isifo ukuthi ngesakho hamba emtholampilo uncedwe kwazakala ukuthi egazini lakho kulani bakunike ilokuzeni
prescription
yes amaphilisi afaneleyo angithi
lo mzimba ohlazekile
konke ukujwayela ukwazi yikho phela ngifuna ukufunda
right so ngizalifundisa kuhle ubackground andi lamazulu angu asini sonke e i o u
siqalele khona loku
ngilibisele emuva i-foundation yoqhakathekile nxa ufundisa abantu angithi into lemele siyilande emuva ngapha emsileni
thina singaka
ubungaka butsho ukuthi isikhiwa sila ukuthi ungakanani ma yikho khona abancane ngathi it can't uyangenza it can't
abantwana laba abafundayo u-a bese thina okhulu baba abanye phela ngabazukulu bethu bese sithi
right bazwanini abantu abadala esikolo khiphani ingqondo ukuthi lingabantu abadala vumani kuba ngabantu abami lithi se nxa lingikhangela libadala but ngolwazi esengimbuye waluthola mina selingaphansi kwami
sithi
se kimi
ngiyizona le ndaba
ukuthi se liyangihlonipha liyangizwisisa
uhambe esikole wena
yes asenzeni
ukuthi se
asenzeni a e i o u
sakatayizwa
babe bibo bu chache chichuchu ubaba umama ubhuti usisi umnewethu ngizama ukuthatha right sesihamba ke my name is Dawin
mama ekhaya
my name is Dawin
right my name is
my
Fortune
name is Mahlangu
your name is Mahlangu very good
asosibongo
Fortune what my name is
my
Fortune
name is Fortune
kathi wena la uthonjalo uthe my name is Dawin umntwana sosibongo
libizo la
libizo la
right asambe mama my name is
Nabethu
umntana wakho uyamfaka eceleni lapha siyafundisana senze okudala asambe my name is Priska what my name is Priska ngitsho kuwe mama, my name is Priska.
kunzima phela ukuthi ngikhulume ibizo lami ngimdala ngaka.
But silibisela
Kusesikolo,
kuFoundation,
mama,
kusesikolo,
kusesikolo.
ngizakunceda isigaba.
Yeah, my name is Priska.
Yeah.
Yes, asambe Mbalisto. My name is Mbali Mbali.
My name is Regina.
Right. Antiyabona ukubeka kuhle. Asikhulumi ngama nickname.
Okay.
Uyazwisisa? All right. There was a man asenzeni
There was a man
in the forest.
In the Paris,
His name was called
there was
called
Nicodemus.
Nicodemus.
The man went to Jesus
Men went to Jesus
during night
during night.
and asked,
Ask,
how can a man
how can a man
be born again?
born again?
Then Jesus answered him.
Then Jesus answered, men,
men.
the men,
Answered
Answered.
again.
answered the man.
Yes. Uyangizwisisa?
Siyezwa
Yes.
se.
Say come again, say.
Come again.
Se.
Come again, say.
Come
Come
again.
again.
Say.
Short time, just go for break. Stand up all. It is Sukumani. Sukumani.
Oh,
Yes.
Phasi
Sukumani. Stand up.
Uma phela mdawini, umdanda uthiwe
Thina umahlala lo nyamazi lokho lokunjani ukuthi kona ukuthi wahambe kuya
Bengiyefunda.
uyefunda
Go for break. Go for break. Go for
Ngiyasithanda
break.
umoya.
Go for break.
Yayibona.
Go for break.
Ngile namuhla asifunde kakhulu.
Namhla kufundile shiwa.
Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come.
Hey.
Sit down all.
Oh. Sihlale phansi.
sit down on.
Say good afternoon, say.
Good afternoon, say.
Afternoon, children.
good afternoon.
Say. Uyazi ukuthi ngizakuchaya ngoswazi.
Say,
Thank you. Let me see you tomorrow. For today is over. Go.
Siyabonga,
say.
say.
Yes.
Siyabonga,
Say thank you, say. Thank you, say.
Thank you,
Thank you,
say.
say. Thank you, say.
Yeah, go.
thank you.
Thank you, say.
Go.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah, go.
Say.
Thank you.
Go.
Say.
Azukufundisa abantu abadala